Let me show you how to claim free Nexira token airdrop. So I'll be leaving this link in the pinned comment of the video and also on the Telegram page. And when you click on it, you find yourself here. It says connect to claim your rewards, right? So here are the steps. You register to participate, complete missions, boxes contain locked Ruby, unlock at pre-TGE, that's February 10th to 15, 2026, verified by on-chain and social analytics, right? So you sign in or you sign up, you open boxes and missions. So let's click on connect to claim your rewards. So you can either continue with Google or with Apple. So let's go with Google. So you select Google, you select from a list of your Google accounts, that's your Gmail account. All right, so we successfully log in via social account. And so a referral link will be generated for you. And this is mine down here, right? As well as QR. So let's see. Let's click on claim your reward boxes are live again. So you have to connect these accounts, Telegram, Discord, and Twitter, right? So let's start. Link my Twitter account. So I have a captcha. You'll be redirected to your Twitter page, so you click on authorize app. That has been connected. Let's go to Telegram. Join. Let's go to Discord. Authorize. So that too has been connected. Airdrop season 1 Ruby Awakening. Daily check-in. Let me check in for the first day. Alright, I'm seeing rewards, gold box. Well, I've checked in for the day. So social, proceed to post. You have this to post on your socials. Come back, click on verify. Twitter link posted successfully, verified. So your referral link is here. I'm seeing 5,000 Ruby. That's for like every referral or something. Here's New Year's campaign. Checking for 5 consecutive days from January 6th to January 11th. Okay. Checking successfully. So I'm on day 2. I'm not sure I'll make it though. Top 100 replies by engagement. Check my ranking. I'm not expecting to rank anything. Airdrop season 2 coming soon. Pre-TG mission coming soon, right? If you want to know more about the project, of course, the about us page is here. Nexira DAEP is the only gaming marketplace that allows players to use their coins, items, and NFTs across different games for the first time ever. How? The answer is Ruby. Revolutionizing in-game currency, invaluable versatility, instant cash out, AI matches buyers and sellers, smart contracts for secure automatic transactions, development tools and stuff. Alright, so this the characters and pictures as you can see. Digital asset exchange platform. They have a marketplace. You can explore, buy NFTs, track your activity and statistics. There's an exchange, games, Ruby scan, Airdrop campaigns. So your marketplace wallet has been created, and there you can have it here. So if you want to contact the team, if you have questions, of course you provide your name here, first and last name, email address, subject message, you solve a caption, and click on submit, right? So you can check the frequently asked questions. You can reach them on live chat as well, right? So Nexira is actually making the trends, and I've decided to not leave you guys out to jump on it, right? You can see their dates are not so far away. Their partners include Mechanism Capital, Cries, Bitcraft, Double Peak, and so on and so forth. So this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial expert. You want to do your research to understand better. But if you would want to try some new airdrop with 1,000 times potential, you might want to try Nexira. Don't sleep on it. So thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.